Assalamu alaikum. I am here Mrs. Saima Shahid and I am working as an assistant professor of economics at Government Premier College for Girls, North Nazimabad, Karachi. Dear students, this is my lecture number 2 and the topic of my today's lecture is difference between change in quantity demanded and change in demand. And this topic is related to theory of demand. Change in quantity demanded. Now what comes in your mind when we talk about demand? Yes, an ability and willingness of individuals to purchase goods and services. This is actually called as demand in economic terms. And our demand depends upon many factors. The most important determinants of demand are as follows: price, income of consumers, prices of other goods, taste or preferences, futures expected prices, and advertisement or marketing. So these are the factors due to which our demand increases or decreases. Now suppose that there is no change in these factors like income, prices of other goods, consumers' taste or preferences, future expected prices, advertisement and marketing, and only the price of a particular good is changing. Then our demand is a function of price only. That is, if price increases, people purchasing power decreases and their demand decreases. And as price decreases, people's purchasing power increases and hence their demand increases. So this change in demand due to change in price while other factors constant is called as change in quantity demanded. There are two types of changes in quantity demanded: expansion in demand, which is due to a fall in price, and contraction in demand, which is due to a rise in price. Now suppose that this is the market demand curve for apples. That is demand for apples by all individuals in the market. At price P1, Q1 units of apples are being demanded in the market. So we are at point A on the demand curve. Now let us suppose that price of apples falls from P1 to P3, due to which demand for apples increases from Q1 to Q3. And now we are at point B on the demand curve. So this movement along the demand curve, that is from point A to B, is called as expansion in demand. Likewise, for example, if price increases, that is from P1 to P2, demand for apples decreases from Q1 to Q2. We are at point C on the demand curve. So this upward movement along the demand curve, that is from point A to C, is called as contraction in demand. So change in quantity demanded refers to the change in quantity at various price levels. Now what is change in demand? Change in demand takes place when price is constant and other factors changes. Change in demand occurs due to the change in these factors like consumers' income, prices of other goods, consumers' taste or preferences, consumers' expectation about future prices, and advertisement or marketing. So if any one of these factors changes and price is constant, there is a change in demand. There are two types of changes in demand: rise in demand and fall in demand. Rise in demand take place due to change in the following factors. Like income, if consumers' income increases, their purchasing power increases and they can consume more of goods and services at higher income. So there is a rise in demand. if price of substitute increases, if two goods are substitute of each other. For example, you may demand pizza or a burger. So a rise in price of pizza may lead to rise in demand for burgers. And if two goods are complement of each other, then a fall in price of one good may lead to a rise in demand for its complementary good. Demand also rises when consumers' taste or preferences increases. Consumers' taste may depend upon fashion, season, habits, customs, religion, etc. If expected future prices increases, that is if consumers expect that there is a further rise in prices in future, then there is a current rise in demand for that commodity. Obviously, if there is a successful advertisement or marketing of any product, demand for that product rises in the market. So these are the factors of the rise in demand. Now suppose that this is the demand curve for cars, which shows the relationship between price and demand of cars. At price P1, demand for car is Q1. Now suppose that at this price Q1, consumers' income rise, due to which the demand for cars rises from Q1 to Q2, and hence the entire demand curve of apples will be shifted rightward, that is from D1 to D2. So this change in demand from Q1 to Q2 is called as rise in demand. So there is a rightward shifting of demand curve if there is a rise in demand. Fall in demand takes place if following factors changes and price of the good is constant. If consumers' income decreases, price of substitute decreases, price of complements increases, consumers' taste or preferences decreases, expected future price decreases. Now let us see how the market demand curve for cars will be affected by a fall in income. Here is the price of cars and here is the demand for cars. At price P1, demand for cars is Q1 units. Let's say income of consumers falls, due to which the demand for cars falls from Q1 to Q2, and hence the entire demand curve of apples is going to be shifted leftward, that is from D1 to D2. So this change in demand, that is from Q1 to Q2, is called as fall in demand. Hence there is a leftward shifting of demand curve if there is a fall in demand. Okay students, from the overall discussion, now you can easily differentiate between change in quantity demanded and change in demand. Change in quantity demanded takes place if price changes and other factors constant. There is either an expansion or contraction in demand, and there is movement along the same demand curve. For example, the downward movement from A to B on the given demand curve, which is due to the fall in price, is called as expansion in demand, and upward movement from B to A, which is due to a rise in price, is called as contraction in demand. Change in demand takes place if price constant and other factors changes. There is either a rise or fall in demand. There are shifts in the demand curve, either rightward or leftward. For example, the movement of given demand curve D1 to D2 is called as rise in demand, and D1 to D3 is called as fall in demand. Okay students, this is all for today. I hope the concept is clear to you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.